How to create a browser shortcut. To make a browser easier to use, you should create a shortcut on the desktop, start menu, or the taskbar. Warning: this video is for creating browser shortcuts in Windows 7. The procedure for Windows 10 is simpler and is described in video how to create browser shortcuts for Windows 10. This is a Tom's Tech Notes video. There are over 200 computer help and hobby videos on my channel page. If the video you are watching is part of a series, you should watch the series videos in order from the playlist on the channel page. To visit the channel, you can type this URL into your browser. You can search for TOMSTDA. The Google search works much better than the other searches. If they appear in your video window, you can click my name, Thomas Wallace, my photo, or a clickable link. To be notified when videos are added or updated to the channel, click the red subscribe button and request email notification. The easiest way to create shortcuts for most programs is to start at the Start menu. I'm going to demonstrate how to create a shortcut for the WordPad program. You click Start. You locate the program, you right-click and drag the name WordPad over to the desktop. Then you click Release the button and click Create Shortcuts here. That creates a shortcut on the desktop to the program. Now I'm going to get rid of that one and show you another way. The other way to create a shortcut for most programs on either the Start menu or the taskbar is to click Start, locate the program, right-click and release. You'll have choices: Pin to Taskbar, Pin to Start menu. If you click Pin to Taskbar, it will permanently put the WordPad program down on the taskbar where it's easy to find and open. I'm going to take it off. I don't want it there. Unpin. Now that's fine for most programs, but for the browsers, when you pin down here using that method, you will sometimes get icons that are not the correct icons for the browser. So I'm going to show you a method to put shortcuts on the taskbar for the browsers that will always give you the correct icons. For that method, we have to work with the executable files for the browsers, and here they are. Internet Explorer is the only one that's a little different than the others. Internet Explorer, the executable is iExplorer.exe. For the others, the first part of the name is the name of the browser: Firefox, Chrome, Safari, and they all end in .exe. So those are the executable names that you use in this method I'm going to demonstrate right now. I'm going to demonstrate for the Firefox browser. Now it's already pinned, so I'm going to unpin it before I start the demonstration. So the way to pin a browser down here and guarantee you have the correct icon on the pin is you click Start, you type the executable name for the browser, and this is Firefox.exe. Now I know it's off the top of the screen and not recording, but this window here, the top thing says Firefox.exe. First, put a shortcut on the desktop by right-clicking and dragging. Create shortcuts here. There's a Firefox shortcut on the desktop. You want to shorten that name by clicking it once and retyping it. Click somewhere else to finish the edit. Now I'm going to get rid of this screen and move it over and show you the next step. This is the shortcut I just created from the executable file name on the window that I used. The next step is to pin onto the taskbar from this shortcut, not from the Start menu, from this shortcut. Right-click, select Pin to Taskbar. That pinned the Firefox symbol onto the taskbar where it's easy to execute and it's always in the right place. If you use that two-step method, first create the shortcut from the executable file and then pin that shortcut to the taskbar, all of these icons will be correct. This is a correct icon for Chrome, Safari, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox. Once you have gone through that two-step process to pin it here, you can go ahead and delete the shortcut. It's still there. So for each one, drag a shortcut to the desktop for each browser using the executable file name, remember, and then pin the shortcut to the taskbar and then delete the shortcuts. That's the end of this video. Once again, here are several ways to visit the Tom's Tech Notes channel page.